Welcome to Active Art. I'm continuing a little bit with the flower pot pours since I raided my friend's garden shack. And last time I worked on some fluorescents. I really liked how that looked, but this time I want to use the fluorescents on this prepared black pre-gesso board. But I'm going to use a lot less paint and then use a hair dryer to blow it out, so I leave more of the negative space of that, and we'll see how it goes. Now these are fluorescent paints from Master's Touch and Artist Loft that were combined, and then I added in some of the liquid glass to give it a little extra shine. Because when you're pouring fluorescent on black, you know, you gotta have the shine. So let's start here. And the yellow. Put a little pressure on the center of the canvas, help the paint run out a little. Drag that. Okay, so pick this up, let some of that extra paint run out in the middle. Beautiful. Rinsed off kind of nicely my bucket of water I have standing by. Off some of the excess stuff. A little water dip, white, there you go. I don't have a tip on my hair dryer, but I think she still does the job pretty good, so I do hit the cool button so it doesn't heat up too much. I'm going to do now is put a little black. And a little green. For this part, I think I'm going to use my straw. Where's my straw? There we go. It's a little bit thicker straw. See how she dries? Hopefully a little more. I mean, we got a little bit of good cells kind of coming in. I didn't want a lot anyway, but maybe a couple more if it pops out. I wouldn't be upset. But I like how the colors really pop on that.